In the recent times, we have seen few Muslim women who have maintained the Islamic dress code of hijab and have still succeeded in achieving what world refers as great success. For example, we have Hijabi Tawakkal Karman, a Yemeni Nobel Prize winner journalist. Then we have Rafia Arshad, the first hijab-wearing Muslim judge in the United Kingdom. Then we have Captain Pilot Shehnaz Laghari of Pakistan, and she is considered to be the world's first niqabi pilot, meaning she does not merely wear hijab, but she also covers her face while she is in public as well as while she is flying the plane. Then we have Bursin Mutlu Pakdil, a hijabi Turkish woman who is an astrophysicist and an astronomer, and she has discovered a galaxy, and that galaxy was named after her. These are very few examples that I gave to let the world know that Islam not only allows women to acquire education, but it lays conditions for her safety, for her security, and as well as her dignity to never be at risk in this life or in hereafter. Not only this, Islam does not put the burden of tuition fee on the Muslim woman who is acquiring education, but rather that burden is put on the guardian of that Muslim woman, as mentioned in the glorious Quran in Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, ayat number 34.